Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying fundamentals quickly. Inspect the mesh for debris and physical damage because grime often muffles sound. Next, reset the Airpods by placing them in the charging case, closing the lid, then holding the setup button about 15 seconds. This clears software glitches. Also check the source device, open settings, confirm balanced audio and Bluetooth active. Doing these steps now rules out simple causes, so you can focus on deeper fixes if one side remains louder. Once done with resets, clean carefully. Use a soft, dry brush, then a lightly dampened 70% isopropyl swab to remove earwax from the mesh. Avoid pushing debris inward. Then inspect audio settings, open accessibility for balance slider, and ensure mono audio is off. Also check your EQ presets in music or third-party apps, since bassy profiles can skew perceived loudness. Finally, test with another phone or laptop, and with different tracks to determine whether the issue is hardware or source-specific. Now tackle advanced steps. Unpair and repair AirPods, ensure firmware is current, and toggle spatial audio or head tracking. These can change perceived levels. If one side still dominates after cleaning and testing on multiple devices, suspect hardware, battery, driver, or internal dirt. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop for diagnostics. As a quick fallback, swap ear tips, try a different charging case if available, and make sure the case is fully charged. These small swaps often reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.